So you've probably noticed I haven't been posting all that much on YouTube or really on Instagram. And I just wanted to come on and like give you guys an update with what's going on with me and my life and like YouTube and just everything. Where to start? So I'll try and keep this as short and simple as I can. So for the past year, I've been noticing a steady decline in my passion for like making YouTube videos and sewing and, you know, just everything that goes into that. And it just kind of like came to a head recently, right after we got back from our honeymoon. There's just certain things about YouTube and like making videos and all of that that I really don't like. And I've been trying to like push through that feeling for the past year of being like, you know, this is just a phase, like I'm gonna get to the next step in my career with 𝒻𝒾𝓃𝒹. But it's just like, it was such an overwhelming feeling, and like that's not to say that I'm gonna quit at all. I definitely am gonna still be making videos, that's for sure, but I definitely want to switch it up. Some of the things that I really don't like about being a YouTuber are like being alone all day, working alone, having to like push through that weekly creative part of me that it just like has to come up with something every single week, something new every single week. I don't necessarily love being an entertainer and like having to like put all of this energy into my videos and having to do that every single week, which you guys know I don't post every week because it's really hard for me to do that. But you know, that and just certain things like that, like I've just kind of lost my passion for sewing a little bit and like making videos. I used to just be so excited to do all of those things, and even Instagram as well. I used to love photography, and I don't know, taking photos of myself, it's just like not my favorite thing in the world to do. So it's just a lot to think about, and you know, it's made me definitely like a little bit sad. So, you know, I haven't had really much room to like, all of this combined is just like, I can't make videos right now, you know, with all this going on. And on top of that, probably most of you know, Ian and I, my husband, we are going to be moving to Denver. We're doing a big cross-country move from Ohio to Colorado very soon. And so Ian's living with me in my apartment right now, and he's working from home as well. So he's on the phone all day. It would be so hard for me to make videos at this point in time. My apartment is just like in shambles right now because I'm packing everything up. Like, we are in the midst of a move. And then on top of that, it's been really hard for us to find somewhere to live in Denver that we would be comfortable in and it fits our price range, just like all of these things. So it's like, it's a lot that's been going on. So I just kind of wanted to, you know, update you guys because you deserve it. Obviously, you're my support system and I love you, and you know, thanks for bearing with me when it's just been like a dead silence after the wedding. But that's what's going on. And, you know, I would love your ideas for me, you know, of like what I could do with my channel, of like collaborating with other YouTubers or people and certain ideas like that. I would be so thankful because I'm just like in this rut, and yeah, it's been really hard and really sad to like, I'm not gonna cry, sad to lose like my passion and everything that I lived for. Like it made my life so exciting and I loved it, and now it's like I don't anymore, and I don't necessarily know why. So that's really hard. So I think, oh my gosh, I want to cry. I'm definitely looking forward to, you know, I think this move is coming at a good time because it kind of gives me that room to take a break a little bit, figure out what's next, you know, do something else for a little bit. It's not to say that I'm not going to make videos, because I definitely want to try and just like get new types of videos other than sewing and what I usually do on here, like maybe a weekly thing where I just like bake and just like, you know, just whatever I want and just like try it out. And hopefully you guys will enjoy that, because I definitely still want to keep making videos during this hard time and, you know, keep the connection with you guys. It's super important to me. But I would love to just like take a little bit of a break and just figure out what is next for me. Again, I'm not quitting or anything, that's for sure. I've worked for this and it's definitely something that I still want to do, but I think that I just need to find out ways that I can enjoy my work more and it not be so stressful on my like creative side of my brain, you know, and like pushing out the work and being an entertainer and like having to focus on numbers to make money from like AdSense and all of that. So if you have some great new ideas for me, even to like just get some ideas going for me and like a brainstorm, it's going to be a little bit of a transition time here. So leave some ideas for me if you want to down below of like different type of videos you would want to see other than sewing and other than what I've been doing. Do a vlog once in a while, or do like a weekly segment on something random, or talk about my Bible study that I'm doing, you know, just like random things about like my life to just switch it up but still be on YouTube. Right now, Ian and I are definitely in the thick of it with moving, and we want to purchase a house, and like it's just a really big deal, high stress, big mess. Like there's a lot going on. So I can't say that I'll be posting videos within the next month probably, unless it's my wedding video, which if I get that back, that will go straight to YouTube. I'm so excited for that. But yeah, you know, there's just no room for me to like make videos and live in like the same tiny space with Ian working at home and like figuring out this move and all that. So stay tuned. You know, I'm trying to post as much as I can on my Instagram. So yeah, I just really appreciate you guys again, and don't worry, you will be hearing from me soon. Thanks so much for your understanding, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.